Welcome to SE Custom Designs, where not everybody will show you how busy they really are. So I have been so engrossed in a project, in projects, that SE Custom Designs has been overwhelmed. Completely and utterly overwhelmed with busyness. We have a guest coming up from Dover Plains, and so we need to make some room. We have to get over to there to the drill press. They're going to come and use the wood shop because they don't have tools like this. So I thought I would show you the before and the after. Hopefully it's going to be a little better than what you see now. So all right, thanks for coming into the shop. Again, not everybody will show you their mess. I actually don't mind, and I don't care what negative comments I may have. I'm a busy guy. This is what I do on the side, and sometimes you just get so involved in the projects that, well, you know how it goes. All right, let's. This will be part one of debacle, the woodshop debacle. Thanks for coming in, and please return to see something a little better. Bye now.